Oh! Making a video for Jason and Chanel. Say something to him.
Hi.
Hi.
It's a hotel.
What'd you say to me?
It's a hotel.
Creepy hallways.
This is the hallway that's gonna kill us.
We should run the screen. Okay, I'm off. Parking garage.
That's a car, just so you know.
No, it's a car.
Get ready. Cover your eyes.
Cover your eyes like this.